I'm here because I just felt such frustration and outrage when I heard that the administration had pressured D.C. to take out Black Lives Plaza. When this went in, it meant a lot to a lot of people, residents of D.C., but I think also to residents of the United States and to the world, that we were finally acknowledging something which has been a difficult part of U.S. culture.
So I felt it was important to come down here and just see it one last time before it went away, since, you know, the president put a mandate on her to get rid of it or he would take funding away from the district. And so, I mean, she had to make a decision on behalf of her community, you know, and the city and the district. And I don't fault her for that, you know. We don't want the district to be defunded.
I'm frightened. This administration frightens me. It seems to be very prejudiced against people of color, against the LGBTQ community, against women who don't fall into line, actually against anyone who doesn't fall into line with what they want. And that's very frightening for a government that has always at least acknowledged that there are differences in our country.